Welcome to the Samsung Gear S2. Track your daily step count and sleep patterns, along with receiving text messages, incoming calls, and calendar reminders with the Samsung Gear S2. With its water-resistant exterior, the watch is protected from rain, as well as accidental splash and submersion. Compatible with Android devices, sync your watch using Bluetooth to ensure that smart notifications are received. Use the Super AMOLED touchscreen to sift through the included sports apps. A snug fit will allow the device to monitor the heart rate. Multiple band colors are available, allowing you the freedom to choose your style. The wireless charger included allows you to charge the watch's lithium-ion battery.
Steel HR Hybrid Smartwatch is a fully featured activity tracker with heart rate monitoring, smartphone notifications, and a long-life battery. Steel HR is a real watch with a unique extra, an activity dial which shows progress towards your step goal, but it also has a digital display, so you can easily view heart rate and other health data at the push of a button. Steel HR automatically tracks walk, run, swim, and sleep, as well as distance and calories burned. It also tracks heart rate day and night. Continuous heart rate mode automatically activates with running, but you can also manually activate it at any time with a simple long press on the watch button. During your workout session, simply press and hold the button to view your current heart rate on the digital display. Press the button again when your workout is complete. The display also shows steps, distance, calories burned, alarm time, and the date. You can even enable smartphone notifications, so you can customize your watch to gently vibrate and alert you whenever you receive an incoming call, text, or calendar notification. Plus smart notifications from your favorite apps right on your wrist, so you can keep moving and stay connected. Unlike many HR trackers, Steel HR is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can enjoy automatic swim tracking and even shower with it, so you never have to worry about taking it off. The best part? Steel HR has a battery life of up to 25 days, longer than any other HR tracker on the market. And charging it is a snap. While the watch's display gives you access to real-time data, the watch syncs via Bluetooth to the free HealthMate app, available for iOS and Android. Open the app for a rich timeline of your activity, sleep, and other health data if you own additional products. Tap on your timeline to view your activity graph, an overview of your distance for all activities, calories, and heart rate throughout the day. For running or workout mode, you can view a detailed heart rate graph in your time.